With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Everyone, let's start the question. So the question says that in HCP or CCP constituent particles occupy 74% of the available space. The remaining space, that is 26% in between the spheres, remains unoccupied and is called interstitial voids or holes. Considering the close packing arrangement, each sphere in the second layer rests on the hollow space of the first layer, touching each other. The void created is called tetrahedral void. If R is the radius of the sphere in the close packed arrangement, then radius of the tetrahedral void is 0.225 R. In a close packing arrangement, the interstitial void formed by the combination of two triangular voids of the first and second layer is called octahedral void. Thus, double triangular void is surrounded by 6 spheres. The center of these spheres on joining forms octahedron. If R is the radius of the sphere in a closed pack arrangement, then radius of octahedral void is 0.414 in Schottky defect, and the options are cations are missing from the lattice site and occupy the interstitial site. Option T2, that is equal number of cations and anions are missing. Option number 3, anions are missing and electrons are present in their place. Option number 4, that is equal number of extra cations and electrons are present in the interstitial site. So let's see the solution. And in this question, the question is like in Schottky defect what happens? So in Schottky defect, it is a stoichiometric defect. First, stoichiometric defect, that is no change in formula. So it is a stoichiometric defect, and in this effect, similar size of cation and anion leaves the lattice space or lattice. So similar size of cation and anion are missing from their lattice site. Missing from their lattice site. So density decreases, and it happens generally in larger coordination number, larger ionic character. For example, NaCl, KCl, CSCl, CSBr having similar size and in larger coordination number, larger ionic character. So if we see these options, the first option is cations are missing from the lattice site and occupy the interstitial site. It will be incorrect. Equal number of cations and ions are missing. It is correct because similar size and equal number and similar size of cation and anions are missing. Anions are missing and electrons are present in their space. It is also incorrect. Equal number of extra cation and electrons are present in the interstitial site. It is also incorrect. So option 2 will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.